Day 4 of the Advent shaving calendar coming up next. That's right, day 4 of the Advent calendar. You know what? If you haven't seen this calendar from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements and this is your first time here, it is 12 Shades of Christmas. And if you haven't seen the previous videos, click below or do a search. I have created a playlist where I will have all of the shave videos coming up. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and crack open number 4. Ooh, I see something green. And yes, I have a sweatshirt on because it's kind of chilly this morning. My Dobie woke me up at 4:30. Anyway, here's what we've got. Ooh, Avo Nice Shave. And you can see here some avocados. I'm going to put a little thing up here. Well, before I do that, let me just take a little whiff and see what this... This is kind of a nice, clean scent. To me, my nose is picking up like the aloe scent. Not so sure about the avocado. If it, you see my camera's tweaked again. But here it is. I'm going to post that and read this at the same time. I know you can read, but I know you want to hear my voice too. Avo Nice Shave, originally released in March of 2018. I would have thought this was a new release. So the scent profile is creamy avocado goodness, citrus peel, olive bosque pear, French lavender, basil, blonde woods, musk, and some other kind of blossom. Let me get this lathered up. I'm going to take my sweatshirt off, figure out a razor and a brush to use. And I heard the Dobie barking. I better check that out. I'll be right back. All right, there's a couple things I got to tell you. One, I cheated a little bit. I opened this up, put a little bit of that while I was making my lather. 2, I heard this big shebang. Came back in the bathroom and my phone mount came off the mirror. Everything came crashing down. Anyway, what I cheated, that was the one there I cheated. But I also went down and talked to my wife and said, hey, I know you love guacamole. And I said, I want you to try this, see what it smells like to you. And she said it was an enjoyable, kind of pleasant scent on the mild side, but her nose also picked up the aloe scent, which I know that's not really part of the scent fragrance, but maybe it's just me, but avocados are just not super strong. But I think this is going to be a nice scent. I have it whipped up here in my HC&C stainless steel bowl. That's so hard to say because I've said Captain's Choice Copper Bowl for so long. Very pleasant scent. And I'm using this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. It's kind of a avocado and orange. There's some white in there and that beautiful logo. I'm just going to go ahead and get lathered up. I did wet my face when I was making the lather and I got a little distracted. The Dobie is on full tilt this morning. She is wanting to run and play and run and jump and all this kind of stuff, and it's kind of been a wet last couple days, or at least yesterday and this morning. It's wet, so it's hard to go out and throw the ball and play with her because she's big and she will get muddy feet. And for you eagle eyes out there, you may have noticed I got my ears lowered yesterday. Today's razor is going to be this PAA Prismatic Razor, and this is a great bang for the buck. I'm also going to be using a Gillette super thin blade. And what's crazy is on the other side, the logo looks different. It's new and improved, but probably the same. All right, I'm going to get that loaded up here. Second use should be a nice, excellent shave. As long as I don't drop the blade and try to catch it. Now the tabs do hang out on this particular razor, so be mindful of that while you're shaving with it, because you can definitely get an ear or two. And I just like to double check the alignment on every razor, because if your blade is sitting in there a little crooked, you're going to get an uneven type shave, or a very strange feel at best. I'm going to warm the razor up and get going for pass number 1 with the grain. This razor always has a nice feedback. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a pleasant scent. Nice, close, smooth shave. This just doesn't get a whole lot of attention. I don't see a whole lot of people using it in the shave of the days or other shave videos, and I wonder why. I think part of it may just be that the cost of the razor is, I mean, it's a really low price, and that may scare some people away, because some people think you've got to spend a lot of money for a good shaver, and that's not always the case, because I've gotten some high-end expensive razors that did not perform as well as this razor, I can tell you that. So if you're in the mood for another razor, look at that lather, and a fairly cheap one, I would give this one a spin. Give it a try. Used 1/4 teaspoon of the soap and 14 milliliters of water, and that produced a very nice lather, as you can see. Pass number 2 across the grain. This is another one of those scents, if I would have read the scent profile online and it was just released, or maybe I had seen it on the buy-sell trade and I looked it up, I would probably pass on it, because I would think, this isn't a scent for me, you know. And being that I'm able to try it in this advent calendar, it's very nice, because I would have passed on it and I would have missed out. Now, if I would have bought this on a blind buy and just had no idea what the scent profile was, but I just, for some reason, liked the label, or, you know, got into that, ooh, it just released and I gotta have it because I have to have every soap, I would be happy with it. So if you have used this because it is a ghost of the past, let me know. How did you like the Avo Nice Shave? I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'm going to be right back. Grabbing the ice cube stick as part of my post-shave routine. Ooh, that's so refreshing. And it really helps me, especially if I get a little bit of irritation. I know some people have different chemical reactions, and so if you're not able to use alum, which I can, but I just don't, would work great. Works great for me anyway. The other thing I was thinking about earlier, and I got a little sidetracked, like I always do. You know how I was telling you my wife loves that dip? Well, I'm going to be around her a lot, especially tonight. And she might want to give me a little nibble. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Let you know update. That very nice scent. I'm going to follow that up with Star Jelly. So on this scent, it's like I said, it's not overwhelming, and it's not super low scented, but I think it would take somebody to kind of get a little bit more up in your personal space to be able to smell it. And so that's nice because, you know, if you're out in public or whatever, you're not going to be offensive to some people. You know how some scents are just out there and you can smell it like crazy. So this is kind of a nice, delicate, up close and personal scent. I enjoy it. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I'll see you on the next shave video. You guys have a great rest of your day.